Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I share with you my favorite juice that I normally make and drink for breakfast or before any other meal. It is also an immune booster. Let's get started. I'll be using pineapple, beets, carrots, lemon, apple, and ginger to make this delicious juice. All right, so I'm washing all my fruits and vegetables. I have some beet leaves and also some beet roots. And we'll be thoroughly washing it, and then we'll begin cutting everything up. I'll make sure to list all the health benefits in my description. All right, so I have 2 apples and my carrot here, which I'm thoroughly washing. And now let's begin cutting our pineapple. So I'll be cutting the head of the pineapple and the tail and then all the skin off the pineapple. And what I'll be doing is I'll be keeping this to make my hibiscus tea. So I'll be putting it in my freezer. All right, so my pineapple is being cut up right now, and then we'll cut up the carrots, and then everything else will be all cut up. It is a very healthy and delicious way of starting your morning. Yes, if you make this juice at home and drink it before you put any other meal in your tummy, oh, I know you will make this and thank me later. A very delicious and nutritious juice. And there's my lemon. I'm cutting up my lemon. Yes, we'll be juicing everything all together. And now, as you can see, I'm cutting my beet leaves. Yes, do not throw your beet leaves away. I'll make sure to list the health benefit in this beet leaf. It is really good. And there's the inside of the beets. We've cut it up in pieces, and now we are ready to juice. Everything is all put together in a bowl, and then I have my juicer ready. I'm using Oster juicer. I'll try to put a link in my description so that you can also find this type of juicer. We've started with the beet leaf, and look at how little juice I got out of it. Yes, so if you use a lot of leaves, do not worry that the leaves will be too much. And now we are putting everything in. I have some of my apples and also some carrots that is already juiced. All right, there it is. And trust me, this is a very healthy way of starting your morning. Delicious and amazing recipe, guys. This juice was so good, and once you start drinking the juice, you are definitely not gonna stop. You will drink until you're done drinking. And there's the pulp. Yes, and we are all done juicing, guys. So what I'll be doing is I'll get a spoon to kind of mix everything, because some of the pulps do settle in the bottom of the jar. So I'm using a spoon to mix it. And also, if you see the top, the foamy top there, please do not discard that. It is all full of vitamins and nutrition. Yes. And then I realized that my pitcher was way too big. All right, when I poured my juice inside my pitcher, and there's how much juice I got out of the pitcher. Have you subscribed yet? If not, please subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that notification. Give me a thumbs up, guys. It means a lot to me. God bless you. And I want to introduce to you a friend of mine, beautifully handmade glass that she makes herself, and she can do customized names on the glasses. Her name is Acquit Lydia on Etsy. All right, so this is her logo, Acquit Lydia. So if you go to Etsy, you would and type in Acquit Lydia. I'll also put a link in my description so you can go directly and purchase this beautifully handmade glass from Acquit Lydia. All right, guys, so I am ready to enjoy my juice, and I tell you, once you start drinking this juice, You do not want to stop. It is so good and delicious. And the best of all, it is so nutritious and a good way to start your morning. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for staying until this time. I hope you try this recipe. Please like, comment, and share. Hit that notification so anytime I upload, you will be notified. And please stay safe and God bless you. Bye-bye.